apat po yung programa ng amnesty ang gobyerno. One is covered by Proclamation 403 tungkol po sa mga rebelding kasapi ng ABB, yung revolutionary proletariat ng Pilipinas at manggagawa. Yun po yung breakaway faction po ng CCP. Pangalawa, yung former rebels will cover former rebels of the CCP, NPA, and NDF, covered by Proclamation 404. Then pangatlo, yung proclamation granting amnesty to the members of the Moro Islamic Liberation Front, ang MILF. Pang-apat po, yung members of the Moro National Liberation Front. Now, alam niyo, ang amnesty power of the government is a coordinate power of the executive and the legislature. So, ang alam namin, libo-libo po ang nakalinya na mag-file ng application sa amin.